Hello from Atlanta Kilts. Today I'm going to show you how we measure in a Prince Charlie jacket and vest. Because they normally come as a set, we generally measure them in as a set. I'm going to start with the vest. You want to make sure that it's out flat. You measure your chest from right at the bottom of the sleeve across, which in this case is 20.5 inches, and then multiply that by 2. So that would be a 41-inch chest. Your second measurement on one of these is your waist. Now what we normally do is, you'll see that you've got your pocket line here. If you measure down and then up, on this one it is 22 inches. So this would have a 44-inch waist. The final one that we're concerned with is the collar to point. So to measure that, we're going to go from the top down to the point here on the bottom of the front. And on this one, it is 21.5 inches. Once that's done, we're going to move on to the jacket. Now again, you want to make sure that it's out flat with the edges of the lapels just touching. Again, your measurement for the chest is going to be from the bottom of the sleeve over to the bottom of the sleeve. And on this particular jacket, it is 21 inches, which would make this a 42-inch chest. The second measurement that we do is going to be the sleeve, which is measured from where the sleeve is inset into the top of the jacket. Just follow that down. Some of these do have a bit of a curve in them. In this case, it is a 24-inch sleeve. Again, we're going to do a collar to point, which is where the collar intersects the top of the shoulder down to the point here at the bottom of the front. And on this particular jacket, it is 22 inches. We have two other measurements that need to be done from the back. The first one is called the half back. Now, when you're looking at our measurement guide, it recommends that you go from one side to the other. The reason for that is because it's really hard to determine the center of a person's back. However, jackets have a seam line right down the middle, so that makes it very easy. What you do is you measure from that center line over to where the back panel intersects the sleeve. On this particular one, it is an 8-inch half back. The final measurement is your shoulder, which again goes from where the sleeve is inset up across right under the collar and then down to the other side. And on this particular jacket, it is 19.5 inches. That's how you measure in a Prince Charlie. Thank you.